Are you doing 5th Saturday promotions in your store? Stop until you watch this video to learn which one is the best for you. I'm going to share the 2 best 5th Saturday promotions and how to know which one is best for your store. Hey there, I'm Kathy Donovan Wagner, founder of Retail Mavens and mother of America's most fun family. If you want more real tips and tricks that work, then subscribe right now and click the bell so you don't miss a single one. A 5th Saturday comes around 4 or 5 times a year, which makes it a perfect opportunity to promote your store. As always, you know that there's a science behind everything we do at Retail Mavens, which is why I don't want you to just do a promotion because everybody else is doing it. I want you to be strategic with every single event you plan so that you can make sure you're getting the most out of it. That's why I recommend these 2 different approaches to 5th Saturdays. Depending on the time of year, your store is going to fall into one of these 2 categories. Either you've got a lot of new inventory coming in, or you have a lot of old inventory right now that you're waiting to get out towards the end of the season. Basically, it's either the beginning of the season or it's the end of the season. And your 5th Saturday strategy should reflect the situation in your store. So if you've got a lot of new inventory coming in, we want to make sure that your 5th Saturday promotion is aimed at your thumbs. They're the ones who love your new merchandise, who love the service you provide. They really care about being a trendsetter and they really care about quality service. For you, this is all about leveraging the fact that they want to feel special, along with the fear of missing out, FOMO. So follow these steps. First, hold back any new merchandise that arrives in the last couple of weeks before 5th Saturday. Then look up your top 50 customers in your point of sale. Next, create a Google Doc where you list out their contact information and make sure then that you're going through their last couple purchases and just write down a couple of things that they purchased the last couple times they were in the store. Now share the responsibility of contacting all of these customers among your team, and then you and your team are going to pick up the phone or send a text and personally invite them to your 5th Saturday preview party. In fact, you could even call it a VIP preview party. Tell them that it is only for the best VIP customers like them. You're not calling just anybody. Make sure that you mention something that they bought before and tell them how they're going to find new things like this that you saved to show just them at this party. Now, if you can't get a hold of them on the phone, like I said, send them an email or send them a text. You just gotta wanna make sure that it's personalized to them, that they know that this isn't just an email that you're just sending out to everybody. Merchandising, this is critical. So on the Friday before the 5th Saturday, you wanna take the new merchandise that you've been holding back and display it as if it just came in and you barely had time to even check it in. Like I had a client who's done this before, and they would have out tables and boxes full of sweaters and literally have the boxes on their side so that the sweaters were kind of packed up into it or kind of falling out of it. Then they would pull out a rolling rack and hang up all of the dresses and tops, with leaving the plastic still on the hangers and leaving them on the hangers from the manufacturers, and then just ripping the plastic a little bit and affixing a price tag to the back so that the price was on it, but just leaving it look just like that. People love this. They really feel like it's special. It's incredible the impact that it has. And it looks different, right? They're so used to your store looking beautiful and perfectly placed, and this looks like you were saving this stuff just for them. It works like a charm. So then on that 5th Saturday, you're gonna host this party for those customers as well as anybody else who comes in. They get to share in the fun too. So it's not like you'll close the store, you'll leave it open, but you're inviting those top 50 customers to especially come in that day. I also recommend serving food and some beverages just to make it extra festive. This strategy works because of the science behind it. You're creating focus and urgency on these brand new items that just came in. And then as customers come in, they create their own buying frenzy as they see everybody looking at this brand new merchandise. All right, now let's say you're in the second situation where you've got a lot of old inventory and you're working to move it out. For you, this opportunity is really about targeting your pinkies, right? Your sale customers, the one who love a sale. So it's really about getting that old inventory moving out and to guess that point of sale, that cash register ka-chinging. We need to bring our pinkies in, those sale loving customers who love a good deal. And this way you're making them feel special, which doesn't happen to them very often. That's why you're going to do a special 5th Saturday sale that only comes around as often as a 5th Saturday does. You would rarely ever do this except for at this point. You're gonna say, buy one sale item, get the second sale item for 70% off. That day only. These words are like magic for your pinkies. Magic! And the average markdown is only about 29%. which is nerd speak for getting the inventory out of your store and getting more cash in your pocket. Follow this marketing schedule. Send the first email out on Wednesday, including pictures, 6 to 8 pictures or so, showing examples of the great deals available. Post these pictures and or videos on social media and publish an event for it. Repeat that first email on Friday with a note at the top saying, "Are you ready? It happens tomorrow." And then share a behind the scenes photo or video of you and your team getting all ready for it. Finally, send the email out again on Saturday morning at 6 a.m. with the note, "Sales starts in 3, 2, And if you can, go live on social media right before opening the store, talking about the great deals, the limited time period, and tease about a line being outside. Many times that happens when we do this with clients. As a special bonus for this sale, let your customers group similarly priced items together so that they get the best deal. In fact, talk about it on social media because nobody does that. What I mean by that is let's say they're buying these 2 small things and then these 2 bigger things. How it works is that when they buy one thing, they get the less expensive item free, right? What you're doing is you're going to allow them to group the more expensive items together, so they'll get one of the more expensive items at the discount, and then you'll put the 2 less expensive items together. Nobody does that for them. It also makes you just stand out, and is something that they'll share with their friends, I guarantee it. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to try. Also, if you love this promotion idea, I want you to watch this video to see how Sunny made $4,800 in just 7 days. Happy retailing to you.